happened to us? What happened to me? What happened as I let it slip? I was confused by the powers that be, forgetting names and faces. Passers-by were looking at me as if they could erase it. Baby, did you forget to take your meds? Baby, did you forget to take your meds?
Welcome to Transcend Money Community, another day. Congratulations to everyone. Spectacular, incredible how we are enjoying this moment. Finally arrived here, and a lot of people is talking about the 90, the 100k, where to take a partial profits. Some people start to talk about the million, but in my opinion, we have the chance to touch 100k before the end of the year. And look, the trend line we have here with this one, this bring us between where we are right now, 80,000 or almost 100k, 97, around 97 more or less, around that region. If just we follow this trend line, right? If we make this trend line support, we are very close to reach 100k before the end of the year. What do you think? Let me know in the comments down below, and welcome to everyone. So let's go to see how the Transcend Money order book react yesterday. How spectacular, how beautiful. Look, the touches we did yesterday in the resistance. Touch here, come back, touch again, go for the second one, put the first one as support, and then for the third one. Spectacular. And let's see what do we have today, because we are in a very interesting point. If we check the Transcend Money community website, transcend.money, you have down below, sorry, all the links. I think you can hear it well, right? Everything is right, yes. You can check this website and you can have this table. So if we going for a prediction today, look what do we have right now. A little bit of resistance, $83,000, 176 bitcoins, $14 million at 0.6% from the current price, and this is super highly traded price, 83,000. This table is basically showing us which prices they have the highest liquidity in the complete order book of Binance futures after 4.4 million limit orders. So let's go for that, because this can be spectacular. Look, what do we have? 86, 84, 490 without resistance. How unbelievable are the bull runs? RSI 1 hour oversold, 4 hours oversold, daily oversold, weekly everything is oversold, but the price is still overbought. So but the price is still pushing, because why? We are in the bull run, so it's like unbelievable, irrational, and can keep going much farther that we can imagine. So now we're gonna place today the 83,000, that is gonna be the top 3 resistance right now, but it's thin, 178 bitcoins. You know, for me 200 bitcoins is the significant amount of money that can stop the price. So I think 100% we're going to touch the 83, and then we have the next ones that this is gonna take more time. 84,490. 84,490 is around here, about. Fantastic. And this one is even smaller, the liquidity, so it's 147 bitcoins, 12.6 millions at 4.2% of the current price, and 40 trades is no, sorry, and 2 trades. Sorry, again I repeat, 84,490, 118 bitcoins, $10 million, 2.9%, 2 hits. The one I said before is this next one, 86,000 is around here. It's unbelievable how strong is the price right now. Let me put a little bit down around here. And this one is the 147 bitcoin, right? So this is right now where is the the grid to stop the price. Unbelievable, similar to this one, but you see, for some reason seems that the market expect that can be a big pump right now. And we don't have until Wednesday the inflation data from US. Hi Tomako, welcome. So Wednesday is gonna be interesting about the inflation. Seems that it's okay. It's not. Seems like it's gonna be okay. No, a big surprise. And we have the speech of Powell this Friday. So maybe we can have some kind of movements here. But the market right now is brutal. Now we start to have a little bit of resistance at 83. We were in 181 bitcoins. So let's see how the market take the liquidity from the 83 at 0.5% right now, 196. So the first touch seems that we can have a correction, but let's see the next try. If we go in now to the bearish part, we have more liquidity, and we have like basically 2 big spots: the 70k and around the 81,000 more or less. So let's go for that, because maybe we're gonna do 83, 80, 81,000, and then try again to go for the 85, well 84, 490, right? And this next time I think, yeah, we can break the 83. Look, we have here 82,060, 590 bitcoins. We catch it with the order book of the community of Transcend Money. So there are some people that still want to push the price higher. This is insane. This is insane. 96 for the end of the month. Yeah, I think we want to talk about the 100k, because I think a little bit before maybe could be interesting to take a little bit of partial profits just to rebuy again if we have a little bit of drop in the 100k. But with the order book of the Transcend Money community, the institutional order book, we will see how is the liquidity, and we'll have more tips when we reach in that point. And look again, 82,060, another 500 bitcoins they were there. So they're trying to go for the 83. How crazy is that? They're still pushing the price. Unbelievable. Who is it? I don't know. Maybe BlackRock. I don't know. We'll see tomorrow what BlackRock did, because recently they make the record of purchase in 24 hours. 7th of November, they break all records, $1.3 billion. So let's see what's going to happen this Monday. We'll see tomorrow in 24 hours. We'll have the update. So let's go for the 80, okay, and then 70 and 81. So let's do the 80s. So the 80s, what do we have? We have first the 8345. 8345 will be around here, and this one is 238 bitcoins. So this, the first touch is gonna bounce, okay, in my opinion, because it's 238 bitcoins, $90.1 million, a drop of 2.8%. So the chances of a bounce are high. And not just that, we have the 81,400, that is here. Obviously, this is more probable that the price take it down that price, but is 212 bitcoins, 70.2 millions at 1.4% drop. So maybe it's the 83 and go for liquidity here and try again, right? So then we have the 70k. 70k maybe is something related with war, because we cannot forget that we have this geopolitical tensions still there. Even if we have Trump and Elon Musk and all these people that is trying to make it the world a better place, or at least stabilize the issues that we have right now. So then we have this 70k, that this for me will be good opportunity to buy right now. 70k is this one, and is with 311 bitcoins. It's quite high, more than 200 bitcoins, so it's quite good in my opinion. And it's interesting that the price is still going for the 83, and the Bitcoin quantity doesn't change so much. It's just 182 Bitcoins, $15.1 million at 0.4%, with 1,000 hits, 1,000 order limits in this 83,000 to sell. But the quantity are small, so these are retail traders, small traders. People that is selling at 83 are small traders. These are not big ones. And we have the big traders that they are pushing the price now at 82, 400, 848. You see it, how this order appears here. In fact, we're gonna try to catch it with the version 3, that we can see in real time how the orders are placed in the order book. So this is the Transfer Money website. You know, you have down below in the description the website, and also if you want, you have the Twitter. You have all the links. You have the new website, is this one. Still we are working on it. And then you have the traditional one and the Twitter. And if you want to open an account in Mexc, my favorite exchange, up to $8,000 in rewards, and the lowest commissions in the market, 0 in market, in maker, sorry, and taker 0.01. And now in some countries, not all of the countries, you can earn a Ferrari, and there are $10 million in prices. So the madness in the crypto markets just start, right? So this Ferrari, incredible, man. This is getting insane. This is, I forget the name, but this is the one of the most expensive Ferraris. So anyway, keep going, don't lose. Okay, here. So this is the situation for Bitcoin. So for the following hours, the price is gonna try to stay stable, but it's between 4% and 2%. But if we lose the 80,000, the chances to 70,000 increase a lot. So in my opinion, for the people that is still not 100% on crypto, congratulations to everyone, because I think most of the Transfer Money community, we are all in crypto for a long time. So congratulations to everyone. And so this is the situation. For me, buy in 70 and catch a little bit maybe at the 80s. We have the 7665 and some here, but still it's not a lot of liquidity. So be careful, because we have the risk of a big drop in case we lose the 80k. And Tomako saying 20% to catch all time. Yeah, Solana is also on fire. Well, we are on fire. Most of the coins, obviously we want to have correction. This is at some point, right? But the corrections for me, they are great opportunities to buy at discount. So we are in the bull run for altcoins, for Bitcoin, for everything. Obviously we are extreme greed. Look what happened in the exchanges now in Mexc. They give away a Ferrari. So this is totally madness. For the people that is not in crypto, you cannot imagine what is the bull run. And so yeah, congratulations to everyone. And let's check the Solana price, because it's on fire also. And incredible. And then what do we have for Solana? Let me prepare all this. We're going to check we're gonna go take the second version, Solana. Dogecoin also pumping like crazy because, you know, Elon Musk is gonna be part of the US government and he's promoting Dogecoin. He thinks it's funny. I don't think it's funny. But anyway, he's Elon and then he can say whatever he wants. So this is Solana, right? Okay. So then in Solana, wow, 220. The target we have is 240. And as Tomako say, we are pretty close to the all-time high. It's gonna be a correction. I don't think so. Very strong. I don't think so. This is insane because our target is 250 in fact. So the all-time high we have, which one was 259.9 in Binance spot. So let's say 260, 260. I think this is gonna be reached, the all-time high of Solana. Solana is on the way, so I think everything is good. And we have the cap and handle that this is the maximum craziness, exactly like in Bitcoin. How spectacular, unbelievable. So if we do the arc and we do here, this will be about the cap. Sorry, I did a little bit high. This will be something like this. And then, well, now it's not gonna work. No, let's do something like this. No, because this cap is a little bit different than in Bitcoin. Because in fact, it's not so much a cap and handle, or it's a little bit weird, this one, because it's the same size. But anyway, this target will bring us, so the cap and handle will be, this is the cap, and this is the handle, and this will bring us to the spectacular 1,400. $1,400. Wow. 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 So that will be, let's say 2010x, 10x is $1 trillion. So it's quite a lot. That will be super insane. That will be super insane. Is it impossible? No, it's not impossible, but I think the probabilities are not so high. We have to, like, but I think, I say it right? 10x. No, 10x is $2,000. Sorry. So it's, you see, be careful because I'm too excited. So maybe it's gonna be 7x. That is 600 billion, 800 billion dollars. So 6x is 1,200. Let's say 7 is $1,400, right? So 7x is $700 billion market cap. That will be about double of Ethereum right now. Impossible? No, it's not impossible, but I think it's a lot. But in this bull run, I think it's possible. Not improbable, let's say. But what a pump! $1,000 Solana, wow. But this happened already with Ethereum, right? Because now we are, let's say, $200 in Solana, right? So $200 on Ethereum. This was exactly at, let's see, $200 was around here, let's say. This was 2020. 2020, Ethereum was $200. Bim, 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 2020. If from 2020, $200, okay, we went $200 around here, we went 2,000% up to the 4,000. So it's total, can happen to Solana, can happen to Solana. Unbelievable, unbelievable, unbelievable. Unbelievable. So we have to be relaxed. Okay, we have to be relaxed. I'm doing my calculations now in my head. Okay, so we are so lucky. We are so extremely lucky. Unbelievable. But let's trade with the fiat we have left. a little bit more. We have to try to squeeze as much as we can. We have to take as maximum as altcoins and Bitcoin and everything we can for the bull run. I'm gonna be like 99 point something percent in crypto very soon. So okay, there we go. Focus. Let's go here. And then from the yesterday prediction, we had two resistance. So we hit very fast the second one, and then we play with the second and the first one. And some hours ago, we break the resistance we had with an overshoot of 2.9%. So we have to adjust a little bit more the order book of Solana, but I think it's quite nice. We are very close to something big, something very big. Hopefully we can take a lot of profit from this bull run, and we can make a lot of multimillionaires in the Transcend Money community, and then we can enjoy the bear market all together, thinking about all the adventures we did during the bull run. How unbelievable is it? And meeting around the world. This is one thing I would like to do with all of you. Okay, so let's go for this. For that reason, we have in the Transcend Money the first experiment, that is to check the Transcend Money community, which countries do we have, and then we can do meetups around the world, right? Right now, we don't have the login yet, but soon we'll have the login, and we can check from where is most people of the Transcend Money community, and everyone who is pro, who is premium, from which countries, and then we can start to do meetups around the world. So, okay, pam, boom, we are in Solana, right? So, Solana. So we have support 188, clearly, 188, I think is the point. But yeah, 200 is gonna be psychologically, but the big liquidity is 188. That probably this 188 is the 70K of Bitcoin. Doesn't mean that it's gonna happen today or tomorrow, or even it's gonna happen, but this is where the big traders are placing their big bets, right? But of course, I think $200 is also an interesting point. They have a split between $200 and $192. And from the resistance, we have a big resistance, 255, 238 is the big resistance there, with $10 million each at push of 8 and 50%. But these are big traders, and just they make one trade. So the most closer one is 228 at 16.8 Solanas. So the grid for me to take profits, that is going to be difficult for me. But the 238, I don't want to take profits of Solana because I'm staking also. So Bitcoin 83 already. Congratulations, everyone! It's so after so long, I'm so happy to be in the Transcend Money community to share this moment. Unbelievable. Yes. We did it. And this is the beginning. Okay, just relax. Don't get too emotional because we are traders and we cannot be emotional. So for me will be, you see, I can relax. I have some training now. 238 is here. 238 around here. Oh my God, this bull run is gonna change our lives forever so much. Congratulations, everyone. I'm so glad that we did this trip together. So the 238 is huge. So yeah, I will be paying attention to this point. 238, maybe a little bit if you need fiat, but you know, it's always very risky to sell in a bull run. Very risky, but it depends how big is your profit, right? Okay, so and then the second one will be 255. 255 will be around here, right? Fantastic. 255. There we go. also huge. 39,000, so 39,700 Solanas, $10.1 million. That will be a pump of 15% more. Incredible. So and then we have so we have, I don't know what we have now, 238, 255 and 228, but this 228 is thin. 228, this one is thin because it's just 16,800 Solanas, $3.8 million at 3.3% pump, but this is traded by retail because there are 20 trades already. So this is small traders are selling at or entering short at this point, and I'm gonna go for 1 pixel in this case, so it's much thinner, right? So I share with you also my charts. There we go. Boom. And then we have to set up the Transmoney Millionetti party. Wow, 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 that's such a good idea. But also we have the celebration of 100K. But yeah, the party can be amazing, man. Millionetti. So cool, so cool. And the cool part is, seriously, I'm not kidding, to share with you this journey that for so many months, so many years, wow, unbelievable. So 188, and we were here at any situation every day, sharing our wins, our losses, our dreams. Is unbelievable, unbelievable. 188.6 is around here. Yes, and then this is gonna be 26,000. Is not bad, so this can be a support. 188, this is a drop of 14%. These are bigger traders because they have 188.6, 188,000 also, sorry, 188, sorry. So there's a small grid here, in total 50,000. So they're trying to split, but it's very obvious that it's the same entity, trader. So 188.6, or to be sure 189, I would say, because 186, sorry, 88.6. If we go into 189, this will be 0.2%. That is 20% on the 10x, right? So maybe a little bit closer. It depends. Maybe 188.8 or 0.9, right? To make a entering long there. And then the psychological level is gonna be $200 around here. There we go. And this is 14,000, so much less liquidity. Bitcoin conference in Las Vegas, May 2025. Bitcoin is real. Bitcoin exit strategy. Yeah, why not? Why not? We can talk about. That could be quite cool, huh? Maybe we're gonna do a special group for Premium and Pro. I don't know if Telegram or whatever. And then we can talk about the trips and the meetups but yeah, let's see, step by step. But now I think we have to focus to buy as much as we can, as fast as we can. Okay, that's the point. Yes, fantastic. So 188 is a great 188. I think is good opportunity, but I don't know if we want to see this drop sooner because the market is very strong. How is doing Bitcoin right now? We have opened two, right? This can be an issue. Okay, let's do one. And then here we have, let's do 85 and 80,000. I have to refresh. But wow, unbelievable, so cool, man. 85, 1, 2, 3, and then let's do 70. I want to see how is the split. Let's load a little bit. It's unbelievable. We don't have resistance. After all the pump, it's unbelievable. Yeah, we have here one. 80, now we have a big resistance. 83, 6, 89, 500 Bitcoins. So we have a correction now. In Bitcoin, we're gonna have a correction soon at 600. But I think, let me see, where is the order book here? Yeah, we have the 81, and now it's 81, 800, 400 support, right? So it's gonna be, this is gonna be a correction soon, and then the 81 here, yeah, because now the 81 is 230 Bitcoins, 215, so yeah, it's totally normal. So it's a 600 correction, we go into the 81.80 and bounce again. Yeah, I think it's totally perfect. Good. Unbelievable. What a chart. In fact, what I heard today, or I saw in Twitter, that we just made the biggest weekly candle. I don't believe so. No, I don't believe it. And I'm gonna tell you something. The volume is still not high. The volume is still not high yet. So the bull run is about to start, but it's not. Look the volume we had here when the price was going down. Wow, wow, unbelievable. The peak we had 3.7 million Bitcoins in a week. Almost 4 million Bitcoins, okay? Trade. And then now we have like 30,000, no, sorry, let's take the previous day, 300, less than one third of a million. So the bull run even didn't catch up, is on fire yet. The bull run is not on fire yet. We know that can be a lot of more volume. Wow, unbelievable, unbelievable. How crazy is that? In the millions. So when we had the bear market, we had in the million Bitcoins trade every week. And now we have like in the 300,000 per week. Wow, imagine how brutal can be if we start to trade hard. When the pension funds, the countries start to have a Bitcoin reserve, a strategy reserve. So cool. This is going great, man. 96 is the Fibonacci resistance. Yeah, this is what I'm considering, close to 100, to start to take a little bit of profits. But I'm not enough powerful to sell a lot. Just I'm gonna sell a little bit, and 96 could be a good point. But I would like to see it a little bit closer. Right now we are too far away, but we see here the 100K already in the top 10 liquidity position. So this is gonna reach at some point. We have 99s, 90s. Wow, imagine 90,000 Bitcoin. Wow. But yeah, my idea is to take a little bit of profits at 90, I don't know if 96, 97, 98, around that region. It depends how the order book react when we get in close to the 90,000. I think we'll start to see the game. Look, even, wow, they took out the big position, so now the resistance is thinner again. Unbelievable, unbelievable. How powerful is Bitcoin? And look how many buys there are if the price try to go down. It's unbelievable. How strong is it now? Unbelievable. So thank you very much to everyone. I remind you all the websites or links. You have the new website that we are building on it. This is the new.transcendmoney. Then we have the traditional one, that is all these things you see here, and you can use it for free if you open an account in Mexc. Here you have Mexc, up to $8,000 in rewards if you open with the link of the Transcend Money community, and the lowest fees on exchanges. Plus, now there is this reward in Mexc that you can earn a Ferrari. Earn a Ferrari and up to $10 million in prices. So obviously, clearly, we have the bull run here. We have the bull run here. Unbelievable, unbelievable, man. Well, if someone earns the Ferrari in the Trans and Money community, let us know, right? So thank you very much to everyone. Have a very good luck with your positions, and see you in the next video.